Engineers Do It.
Before we start today's video, I would like to ask all my viewers to subscribe to my YouTube channel How Engineers Do It. Share the video among all of your friends and also hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and in this video we will see which Six Sigma methodology to choose to solve a problem. So if we have a problem, we'll be looking for a solution. So if the solution is known, we'll apply PDCA, which we have discussed earlier, Plan, Do, Check, Act. So I'll give you an example in this case. Let's say that the electricity consumption in our office is high. So we have a problem here, and we know the solution, like in order to turn off the monitors or in order to turn off the computer in the night while the employees go home, and to repeat this process and then see the result how it is. So here the solution is known, so we use PDCA in order to check Plan, Do, Check, Act. So we are turning off the monitor, that is doing, and then checking, and then what we are doing is we are continuing to turn off the computer and go home throughout the further years in order to maintain that electricity consumption rate. So next thing is that we don't know what's the solution. We have a problem in hand. So let's say if the output is existing or if it's a new one. So for example, let's say we have our iPhone moving into Android. So for iPhone moving into Android, the output will be completely new because they haven't experienced how the iPhones would perform in an Android platform. So they would probably have to go for design for Six Sigma, DFSS. So otherwise there is something called as output is existing. So we'll be having a historical data of a project. So we'll probably, for example, if we have maybe a bottle manufacturer, and every time manufactured the water filling in the bottle, the levels are different. So they don't know what's the solution for it, but they have a problem. And if the output is existing or if it's a new one, no, it's an existing one, and they will be having a list or a historical data of how many bottles were filled in a year, and what are the different types of machines used and all that. So what they would do is they would go for the next workflow over here. So now, is efficiency the problem or effectiveness? So efficiency over here is tied with time, cost and effort, whereas effectiveness is tied with result, accuracy and objective. So if efficiency is a problem, we'll be using the lean. Lean is nothing but avoiding the waste, and if effectiveness is a problem, we'll be applying Six Sigma, DMAIC method. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much and stay tuned.